Hello everybody, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed those photos. I have a couple thoughts and requests for you here as we do a brief wrap up. Two requests for you. First request is let me know what you think about this little bit different format of the video. In this video I had a little bit longer point of view B-roll section, hopefully to give you a little more context about where I'm creating the photo. So it does make the video longer by a bit, so let me know what you think. Request number two I have for you to leave in the comments below is related to the lens I used for this video. This is the first time I've used the Viltrox 75mm for street photography, and I'll share a couple thoughts on that in just a minute, but I'm also going to do a more detailed video about this lens in a month or two. So if you have any information you'd like to know about the lens, questions you have, things you'd like me to factor in as I'm using the lens and then reporting back on its use in that video, please leave that in the comments below. Thank you very much. So speaking of that Viltrox 75mm lens, short version is I had a really great time using it for street photography. I'll give more details about this lens in, like I said, a month or two when I do a more detailed video about it. But I'm really happy with it so far, so I'm quite pleased. I know 75mm is currently not a common focal length to be used in street photography, but it's a focal length I'm used to using because the lens I usually use for street photography is the 16-80, and I'm often at or near 80mm, so it's a field of view I'm pretty comfortable with and used to as well. So that's the short version on that. I'm really happy and enjoyed using that lens for street photography. So let me know what you thought of these photos, your opinion on 75mm for street photography, what you think of the photos themselves, as well as all the clouds that were in these photos. So please leave those thoughts in the comments below. I spent yesterday at the Washington State Fair. That's why I have a little bit of sun on my face. Spent just about all day there. You're going to get at least 2 videos about that starting next week. So look forward to sharing that with you and all the food I ate. So until I see you in the next video, I hope you stay safe, stay well, and have fun creating photos. Bye for now.